Guys, so it looks like the first trail we're coming to today is going to be Bud's Bypass. We've not even looked at it really. This first little hill right here, the camera don't really do it justice, but as wet as it is, it might be a little obstacle to get up. One of our guys in the crew said he's going to try it and be the test dummy, so whenever Noah gets up here, we'll catch the video of it. See, guys, it is slick. It's about 1 o'clock in the day. We're just kind of getting started, and this is what today's going to be. So I'm pretty excited for this.
All right, Noah's backing off there in his Highlifter. Next up, we're going to have Blake. He's got a 2-seater RZR Pro. He's going to take a shot at it. He's known to be a sender, so pretty excited to see him take a shot at this thing. And this trail's nastier than what it looks like.
Get back up to my perch here. Got to at least make sure I'm in a safe spot for all this.
Good.
breaking back down. He's calling it so he don't break down. I think Marcus is about to bring his KRX up here. He's the one that said he's going to show all us Polaris guys up, so we'll see what he's got here in just a minute.
All right, guys, we're going to turn the audio down on the clip just for a second because there's some music playing in the background, but it gives me a perfect opportunity to tell you guys we appreciate y'all liking and subscribing to our videos and supporting us when we post videos and stuff like that. We enjoy bringing you guys this kind of content. And just a little background on Marcus. He's a pretty wild man when it comes to going up stuff in his KRX. He's been through a lot of pretty sketchy trails, and it's going to be interesting to see you tackle this thing.
Guys, so KRX gave it a valiant effort. I mean, I thought he was going to go there at one point. So this is how the day is going to go. I'm excited for it. So let's go find the next trail to hit.
All right, looks like somebody else is going to try this before we get out of here.
Like a pretty stock 1000. I'm not gonna lie, he's crawling up at pretty good ways for no more throttle than he's given. Close, man. He is really close. If he makes it past that one ledge. Look at it. Look, he's going back off. Alright guys, here comes Steven. He said he's going to try it in that 4-seater. A little more. You gonna bump it right there? Got the trailing arm. Trailing arm. You'd have to come this way to the rear end. You'd have to get all one motion. Watch out. Better watch out, Noah.
All right, we're moving on to Trail 15.
We're on Trail 15, and there's a little step up here towards the end of it. The first part of Trail 15 was pretty easy. The last part's supposed to be the hard part. There's a little rock step up right here. Some of us done made it up. We have a Can-Am that's struggling just a little bit. If that big too. Go, go. Keep your wheel. I'm in wind mode. Oh, okay. Never mind. Looks like they're going to struggle a minute. We're going to go on up meet with the rest of our group. Maybe these guys will make it up. If not, they'll holler at us. We'll come back and help them out. But we got some more at the very top waiting on us.
broke the steering.
Stop right there.
Oh. Somebody's gonna help me.
That's not over so good, ain't it?
Yeah.
Nobody got that on video? Hell, that's the best part. Please do it. Please do it.
Hey, where'd he go? Oh, hey, it just broke the bolt in the heim at the spindle. Just like a 5/16 or.
I think I got some bolts.
I need a 5/16 bolt in there, about 4 inches long.
Oh, did y'all just lose a bolt?
It broke the heim. It broke the bolt in the heim.
Hey, just one bolt?
One bolt for that heim.
Just one? That side ain't broke?
No, it's just
and
this
that
side.
bolt about 4 inches long.
All right, I just want to give a big shout out to these guys right here. You can find them on Facebook, JP Off-Road. They helped us get back on the trail. They got the bolt for the heim joint there for Jared's steering, and a good group of guys. If you guys need something, hit them up. You can find them on Facebook. We appreciate them. And until next time, I'll see y'all on the trails.